was sent these plates to review, but these are my own honest opinions. It's the vancasso stoneware dinner plates. My mailman absolutely crammed these in my mailbox, and I thought for sure they would be broken, but they were packed really well and they survived. They're the Bonbon Beige set of 6. You can see they've got some nice cushioning in there between each plate. They're 10.5 inches wide. I like this speckled design because it gives it like a rustic appearance. And I like the concentric circles because it sort of just gives it a little depth and interest. They're oven safe, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. I think this goes well with lots of styles: boho, Asian, transitional, traditional. It's really nice. It blends in well. I feel like they're a nice weight. They feel like good quality. They're a nice canvas for food. They let the food take the center stage, and the dark band around the edge kind of frames it. I think they're really great. I'm happy with them.